Look. Yeah. I mean, that's my homeboy, but that was him. Hey, I saw your keys on the table. Oh. I meant to tell you that, but I forgot. Man, I'm going in on these niggas, bro. Like, I mean, I'm just saying, like, that's just some clown shit, bro. You try to destroy my whole... I ain't even know you for 3 years when I did most of them videos. And you could try to destroy all that because I don't fuck with you. That, man, damn, man. I mean, this nigga was telling me, bro, and this is real talk, man. This nigga was like, look, you know, he talked to YouTube, and they told him what region is there. He kept leading it, that type of shit, and I'm like, bro, I don't even have to answer the phone for a nigga like you. You not, I mean, I'm just chopping it up because I was going through something in that period in my life. But, bro, I mean, you not that important. What the fuck you do for me? I don't get no money talking to you. You know what I'm saying? I ain't starting none of this fucking with you. I don't care what you do, man. If you do got a business and the joint booming, I don't give a fuck, man. I don't care nothing about you, bro. You know what I mean? Do you. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do me. Don't watch my shit like I don't watch yours. The only thing I ever did was this. I remember when he first got his new page, I was like, damn. You know, found the nigga online or whatever. Was like, oh, alright. Seeing nigga had like 200 videos. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I got my page, you know what I'm saying, a little bit before him, but I didn't really start going ham until we did the thing with it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I ain't even gonna say it. Nigga got found for themselves. But once we did that and we figured out we could do that and still go ham, come on, bro. That nigga was like a month and a half, 2 months. He had like 200 videos, right? You know what I'm saying? No, up to this point, I think I checked his page over there. He got 200 some videos. Talking about he the best doing this shit. You know how many I got right now? I'm almost at 800. Come on, man. And I ain't even stressed out yet. You know how I do when I stress out. I won't even name them bitches. Fuck it. Yeah. And go hand them like, man, them Jones ain't no good. Yeah, they do better when you name them, but I don't give a fuck. I name the ones I can. And I'm going to try to name them all, but shit. Man, I'm giving this shit away. Lucky, you know what I mean? They own there. For real.
Real talk.